What's weighing me down? Pressures, responsibilities, obligations. Lately, I felt anxious and weird. I felt unproductive from work. I was worried with my future. I felt pressured with not having kids at 31. And a lot of things around me made me worried even more. I felt like I was not living my best life. There's so many what if. There's so many questions. What if I die today? Did I fulfill my purpose? Will God be delighted with how I live my life? So many questions. Maybe I'm just tired or stressed, or maybe I'm just lonely. But deep in my heart, I believe what I feel right now will soon pass. Yes, this too shall pass. The Lord is my peace. I shall not live in anxiety. He puts me under His wing of comfort and calms my spirit within me. He takes all my anxieties on Himself and helps me to focus on Him. Yes, though I walk through a time of grave uncertainties and fierce anxieties, I will not fret. For you are my peace. Your word and your presence calm me now. You hold my uncertainties in the palm of your hand. You soothe my anxious mind. You smooth my wrinkled brow. Surely, serenity and trust in you shall fill me all the days of my life, and I shall keep my mind stayed on you forever. Psalms 46 verse 10. Be still and know that I am God. I will be honored by every nation. I will be honored throughout the world.